Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing KARD's You and Me. This is their second mini album now. I always think they've done more mini albums than they have, or just albums in general than they have, because they had like 3 title tracks before their first mini album. But I'm just happy to own this now. I was meaning to do this last year, yeah, but I didn't get around to doing it. So this is my first unboxing of 2018. Okay. So it's like holographic, as you can see from the lighting. And let's go through the track list. Okay, so this is the track list. There are 9 tracks on here, and they are Into You, Trust Me, j.seph and Ju version, Push and Pull, Chiniga, Because, You and Me, the title track, Trust Me, BM and Somin version, Into You instrumental, You and Me instrumental, and Trust Me. So kind of technically like 7 tracks, because 2 of them are instrumentals, and then 3 are just the same song, just obviously different versions of them. I really loved You and Me. It's honestly, KARD just released really good title tracks. I love their title tracks. I love their style. I loved the music video for this. Just like the twist in it at the end, like near the end, is so awesome. I had to rewatch it again, and I love that kind of, horror sort of, I don't know, I just really enjoyed it. My favorite song on here, other than You and Me, is probably Into You. I just really love Into You. It's very catchy. I don't know, I just really like that as a song. And yeah, let's get into unboxing this. I'm really sorry if like you can hear sounds. It's just because my neighbor's having a party right now, so everything is very loud, like the music is very loud, and like guests are arriving and stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna take out the cards first. Oops. Okay. And I honestly like this mini album more than their first one. Look at their suits. I kind of love them. And I like You and Me as a title track more than I liked Hola Hola. I think I just like the darker vibe. Oh my gosh, they look so cool. They look amazing. I think this was the poster, or it was something similar to this picture. I really love city backgrounds like this. I love photo shoots that are in the city, like set outside like this. She's so cute. I love his outfit. It looks like he just woke up. Like the pajamas. So comfy. I love this blazer look is everything. I love blazers. Oh my gosh, look, it's like the jacket is matching his pants. Especially oversized blazers. I don't know, I'm really into that. Incredible. And credits. And then, of course, the CD. It's back. Okay. So it does come with stuff. It comes with a card and... Hang on. It comes with this DSP Media Audition ad. Cute. And then it comes with a sticker, I think. So, oh, graffiti art by BM. That's so cute. Okay, and it comes with a big card and a small one. So for the big one, I got j.seph. These are so cute. So yeah, this j.seph one, I love them. They're like little like photo booth kind of pictures. They're so adorable. And then for the photo card, I got j.seph and Dew. I don't collect cards, but I'm so tempted by the unit ones just because I love every single like combination of like unit or pairing in KARD. I really want to collect them, but I'm trying so hard not to because I do not need to collect more cards. If you have seen my like almost an hour-long photo card collection, I do not need to add KARD to that collection as well. But it's so cute. Anyway, I will for the time being probably put both of these up for trade or sale. They're really cute though. I don't know how I'm going to be able to resist. But yeah, anyway, so KARD is a group that I always get excited for because they're obviously something a little different in K-pop. There aren't many co-ed groups around. I hope that there will be more co-ed groups in the future, thanks to KARD. And I don't know, I just like the idea of just having more of that integration. It's nice. So yeah, I'm going to be looking forward to seeing more of their stuff in the future. I really want a full length from them because I just have a feeling I'm gonna really enjoy like a whole like full length album from them. I love their style of music. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching.